Want to start your own online business for just $1? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Shopify store in under 3 minutes, step by step, no fluff, no time wasted. Let's launch your e-commerce dream, starting now. First, go to shopify.com. Click on Start Free Trial. But here's the trick. Shopify offers a $1 a month plan for 3 months. Just sign up using your email, set a store name. Don't worry, you can change it later. Once you're in the dashboard, select what you're selling, physical products, digital, or dropshipping. Choose your country and click Next. Boom, your store is created. Now, click on Online Store Greater Than. Themes. Pick a free theme like Dawn or Craft. Click Customize to add your logo, change colors, and update your homepage text. Keep it clean and professional. Go to Products Greater Than, add product. Upload photos, add a catchy title, price, and short description. Use keywords your customers are searching for. This helps with SEO and Google rankings. Head to Settings Greater Than Payments and activate Shopify Payments or PayPal. Then, go to Shipping and set your delivery zones or choose free shipping to attract more buyers. Now go to Settings Greater Than Plan and select the $1 a month plan. You'll need to add a card, but don't worry, you won't be charged the full amount now. Lastly, connect your domain or buy one directly from Shopify. And that's it, your Shopify store is live in just 3 minutes. Start small, grow smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for free resources and tools.